Hey guys, in this video we will talk about what is WordPress. WordPress is an open source and free content management system based in PHP and coupled with a MySQL or Oracle database. Features include a simple template system and a flexible plugin architecture, called in WordPress as themes. These themes can be mixed and matched to create countless online businesses and personalized profiles. Read on for some WordPress tips and tricks that will help you get the most out of your WordPress experience. One of the most common themes that WordPress developers use is the default theme that comes with WordPress. This theme provides the default look and feel for most websites, allowing users to quickly navigate through their sites and customizing fields and options for search engines. In addition, it allows developers to add their own individual style to the default theme, allowing users to further customize their site and provide them with one-of-a-kind designs. The default theme also allows users to select color schemes, icon sets and font styles. There are also many additional premium themes that can be added to WordPress sites and do not require a login. These premium themes provide additional functionality, such as search engine optimization and advanced plugin support. The biggest drawback to using premium themes is the initial cost. Most premium themes are more complex to install and require higher uptime. WordPress works on PHP virtual servers, so it may take longer to update if you change your database or add new plugins. WordPress users can also develop their own themes and install them on their WordPress site. It is easy to create your own theme using the WordPress software. It is also easier to implement these themes into your existing site. There are a number of free WordPress themes available on the internet, but they are very limited in terms of styles and functionality. If you need more unique themes, there are WordPress themes that will help you create an amazing online store. There are some drawbacks to WordPress that you should be aware of. First, it does not support PHP development, so you will have to convert your website into HTML before publishing. Also, WordPress uses XML/RPC, so it may not be compatible with some popular content management systems like Joomla and Drupal. Another problem with WordPress is that all changes to your theme are saved locally on your computer, so changes made will not be transferred to your website. This means that any updates to WordPress will not be reflected on your website, unless your website is upgraded to use the latest version of WordPress. So now you have a better understanding of why people choose WordPress and how to install WordPress on your server. If you are new to WordPress and would like to get started with blogging, then take a look at our WordPress installation guide. We have a number of high-quality themes that are affordable so that everyone can get started. If you want something different, then take a look at our extensive list of theme options. Our list of WordPress web hosting providers includes both big-name providers and more boutique companies. By taking a look at our comprehensive list, you will be able to find the perfect WordPress provider for your needs. I hope you understand watching this video. If you like this video, please like it and give it a chance to others. Share a lot. Comment on which topic you want in the next video. Stay tuned until the next video comes out.